Welcome in the series of learning for loop. I have given two examples of range. First, range 1, 5, 1. Second, range 5. Here, start value will 0 and step value will 1. So by default, start value is 0. By default, step value is 1. So this range become 0, 5, 1. This 5 is this one, and by default 0 and 1. So it become. So I hope this two example is enough for you. Now I am going to teach you ki how range will use with for loop. So student, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. It will help you. It will help me to make more and more examples for you. So syntax of for loop. Syntax of for loop. First you have to write for keyword. A variable will be there, var name. I am writing var name. It is variable name. Again a keyword, it is in. Again a function, range. This range function I have explained, and here I am writing 1, 5, 1. And here a colon will be, and all the statement will start after 4 line 1, 2, 3. From here all the statement will start. All the statement will start. These are statement. So student, why these 4 gap? Actually student, here for loop is not completed. This colon will make indentation of 4 spaces, and this is grouping of statement. It means that these 4 line is part of syntax of for, and these are statement is going to repeat till this condition is true. It means 1, 5, 1. It means this loop will continuously work till 4 times. So this 3 statement will repeated 4 times. So just write it. It is syntax of for loop. Based on this, I will give you an example. I hope you have written. Okay. So just make a changes with for loop. Just write a variable num, and here for 3 statement write print im double quote close. This print im will print simply, it will print a message im, and again a print statement. Here we are going to print the num variables value. Okay student, how it will work? First a num variable will created, and it will start with this one. I am going to use another color of marker so that it will make easy for you all. Okay student, num, it will store 1 and it will start with n 1. Again this is first step. Again it will move to 5. This one is second step, and in the variable num first 1 will start, and then it will ask कि 1 is less than 5. If true, then this statement true. When the condition become true, then this thing will happen. So here I am, so it will write I am. Again print num. Num means what? Value of num. So value of num is 1. So it will print 1. Again statement will move here. It is your, you can say that first, second, and you can say that it is third. This one is part of second. When second statement is true, then this statement will work. So in third, this one will, whatever will be here, 1, 2, 3, 5, whatever you can put here according to your program. So this one will add in the value of this. So here 1, here also 1. So 1 become 2. When it become 2, also it going to this value, and again it will check. The new value of num is 2, so 2 less than 5, true. True, then these two line will happen. I am, again num, value of num is 2, it will print 2. Again this will happen, and one again will be add, and it become 3. 3 less than 5, yes, true. I am num, it is 3. Again this will happen, and it one will add, and it become 4. 4 less than 5, true. Print I am, it will print I am. Again value of it become 4. Again when this reach to here, it will become 5. 5 less than 5, no. So this statement will not happen, because 5 not less than 5. This 5 not less than 5. So condition will not true, and condition will false. So I hope student कि this example will make you easy कि how for loop will work. If you are having little bit doubt, go through with this video at least 2 or 3 times. If another confusion is there, write in comment. Definitely I will solve all your problem. This is today's class. I hope you have learned all these things. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Good luck.